HiSuite can be limited, buggy, and hard to use for many Android users. This video shows 6 better alternatives for easier Android and Huawei data management. Top 1. Best HiSuite alternative: MobiKin Assistant for Android. Managing your phone's data on a computer is much easier than on a small screen. Among the best HiSuite alternatives, MobiKin Assistant for Android stands out for being user-friendly, ad-free, and offering a consistent interface. Option 1. Organize non-media content. To manage non-media content effectively, select the checkboxes for contacts, call logs, or SMS, and utilize the New, Delete, Export, Import, or Edit buttons accordingly. Option 2. Manage media content. To manage media content, choose any data types such as photos, videos, music, and others from the left menu, and handle the items as needed by selecting Add, Delete, Export, Copy, or Move. Option 3. Manipulate Huawei apps. You can install and install or export Huawei applications on your computer by choosing the options Install, Uninstall, or Export. Option 4. Bulk backup and restore. For a comprehensive approach to backing up and restoring Huawei devices, navigate to the Super Toolkit section and adhere to the straightforward instructions provided to successfully complete the backup or restoration process. Top 2. MyPhoneExplorer. MyPhoneExplorer is a popular and lightweight desktop application designed primarily for managing Huawei phones via USB, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. Top 3. SyncMate. SyncMate is a versatile macOS tool that allows seamless data synchronization between Macs and Huawei devices. It supports syncing contacts, calendars, media files, SMS, and more in both directions. Top 4. Pushbullet. Pushbullet is a cross-device syncing tool that enables users to send notifications, links, files, and messages between Android devices and computers in real time. Top 5. DoubleTwist. DoubleTwist is a media management tool that lets users sync music, playlists, photos, and videos between Android devices and computers with a simple interface. Top 6. KDE Connect. KDE Connect is a powerful, open-source tool that acts as an excellent alternative to HiSuite by enabling seamless file transfers, remote browsing, and notification syncing between your phone and computer over a local Wi-Fi connection without the need for USB cables.